Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this problem when one of your wipers stop working. So after you open the hood, the first thing you're going to want to do is locate the wiper arm that's actually the one that's not working. So on my case, the passenger side, which comes on this over here, this one's actually working, so I don't need to mess with that one. It's actually the driver's side one, which is right here. So you can see the arm right there. So on this vehicle, which is a 2014 Porsche Panamera, this one actually has a little cover over the nut that actually keeps it secure. So what you want to do is pry that off. I already did it ahead of time, but you could take like a flathead screwdriver and just pry underneath it to pop it up. And then you're going to locate the bolt, which is right underneath it. And you can see in my case, this one's really loose. And sometimes, you know, over time they'll become loose, and all you got to do is put the wiper blade down where it's supposed to be. So you want to kind of get it aligned with the other one. And then once you got it in place, you're going to go ahead and tighten down this bolt nice and snug. So in my case, for this bolt, it's actually 16 millimeter. So you can just get a ratchet like this. Sometimes you're going to need a small extension, and you're just going to get on the bolt after you got it lined up where it's supposed to be. And then you can just tighten it down nice and snug until it stops. After that, you can go ahead and put the plastic cover back on that you took off if your vehicle has one. Make sure it's on there securely. And then after that, you can go ahead and close the hood, and then you can test the function of the wipers. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the vehicle on. And we'll go ahead and test the wipers. Boom. And now you can see they're both working perfectly. If you have one that's a little bit out of alignment or like hitting up in this section, you'll just need to loosen it and adjust it where it's supposed to be. And always test the function of the wipers with the hood closed, because sometimes it'll actually hit the hood if it's open. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.